show you what is the formula and function here. Let's talk about the concept again, yeah? Now, since that today we are focused on the how to do calculation, hopefully you guys understand here. Once we're talking about calculation under Excel, Excel have two different type of calculation. They have a two type lah. The first type called formula, second type called function. All right, I repeat again, yeah. Under a calculation in Excel, we have divided by two different types. The first type called formula, second type called function. Now, you need to know that in Excel, we have two different kind of calculation techniques, formula and function. So first, what is a formula? What is a function? Now, for your info, right, formula can be defined as manual calculation technique. Pengiraan secara manual. And function is the opposite lah. Since the formula is manual, function is we can define it as a automatic calculation technique. Now, to show you the difference between formula and function, very quick one. Let me show you. Yeah? Let's say I do have this list of data. Right? I do have this list of data. My main objective is I'm trying to get the grand total from this list of data. And since that I'm trying to get the grand total here, I can apply either these two techniques. The first technique is we can use formula or we can still using function. Now, to apply formula, always remember here, since that formula definition is manual calculation technique, each time when you try to calculate using formula, the calculation must be dealing with the operator. I repeat again, yeah. Each time when you try to apply calculation using formula, it must be dealing with the operator. So from here, for your info, this is the list operator that I just mentioned just now. Now, and of course, obvious here, since that we are looking for the grand total, right? The operator that highly suitable for you to apply, we call it the operator addition. Or explanation people didn't call as a word called addition, but we prefer to call is what? Plus. All right, we just use a plus operator. So now let me show you demo how to apply. So of course, we have to start from the last row, last cell here. So we start with the equal sign. Then we're starting for the select the first cell. Then again, we put up operator plus, second cell, another operator plus, the third cell, another operator plus, and the fourth cell. Then after that, we will press Control Enter. It will give me as the result. You guys understand?
Yes.
Okay, this is what we call it as a formula technique. We are dealing with the operator, and here we are using operator called plus sign. Now, that is a formula. But if let's say you are trying to apply function, as you know, function, normally they didn't dealing with the operator at all. But you must know how to use the right or proper function. Now, can I ask you guys here, since that I believe that you already have a familiar yourself, have your experience yourself, may I know what is the function's name that we should apply for us to apply the total?
Sum.
Equal sum.
Okay, I heard the two word here. Is it the right name? Is it sum function or auto sum function?
Sum function.
Sum.
What? Sum function. Kenneth? How about you, Kenneth?
I think it's sum.
But
Yeah, I think it's sum also.
I heard just now it's auto sum. So who claimed the auto sum just now?
Can.
I think it's equal sum.
Oh, equal sum and no auto sum. But I heard auto sum just now, you know.
It's equal sum.
No need to have a conflict here, you see. Now, for you guys info, right, the right names function, we call it sum function. And then if let's say you claim this auto sum, it's totally wrong. Because for your info, right, auto sum is not the function's name. Auto sum is considered the button's name only. To prove that, I want you to go to the formulas tab, and then you will see that is a button called auto sum. That is a button called auto sum. That is not the function's name. But because of most of people, right, they love to using sum function through this button. That's why they love to call the function sum as auto sum. But they forgot about one thing here. once you click this drop down arrow under AutoSum, you will see there is a 5 more functions inside there, and the right function's name called sum function, not the AutoSum. Guys, clear? So Satifan Nawan never call that function's name as AutoSum because that is the only button's name. All right. So now let me show you demo how to apply sum function. And for your info, right, we have a good news for you. In future, when you try to apply the function, you no need to click the AutoSum button anymore because I want you to know here, for our group, right, AutoSum is kindergarten button. Never use AutoSum because AutoSum is such a kindergarten level button one. So this is not our level. So in future, when you try to apply the sum function, you can simply select the last cell like this, press alternate equal, then enter. You get the result. Why don't you try to apply? I'm waiting for your experiment. Okay, remember, yeah, each time when you try to apply sum, you just need to press alternate equal. Okay, have you tried?
Yes, yes.
Right, yeah, okay. So here you can see that we do apply 2 different techniques now, which is by using formula, which is each time when you try to calculate it, you must be dealing with the operator, or we are using function, which is you just need to identify what kind of function, the right function that you apply. Okay. So that is a very quick demo one, very easy demo. How can we differentiate between a formula and function? All right, done.